Hello guys, so this is the video where I am going to share my keratin treatment first time experience with you guys. I wanted to do from a very long time and it was just a reason I wanted to do it. I am so lazy to take care of my hair and I was sure that keratin treatment can be a little help for a better looking hair. So I was desperate to do it. So I visited Bhopal at Tanisha's. I did it, and these are the products which are being used. I will not go much into detail of every product, but you will see all the three steps which is being done and you can see the process. This whole process takes around like 3 to 4 hours, but it also depends on your thickness and length of your hair. So first and foremost, there was an anti-frizz shampoo, amazing shampoo. After just washing with this shampoo, my hair was already shining. It was so soft, so nice, and all the frizz was almost like 80% gone. So this type of effect I have never seen. After washing, the hair has to be 100% dried, and which you can see they were straight and they were looking good. As the process was very long, they were kind enough to feed me in between because I did not had my lunch. So this was delicious noodles. So then comes the next step, which is the second step, and here the product has to be applied for thermal reconstruction. What I understood in all over the process, that the hair has to the this product has to be applied layer by layer by layer, little by little, and it has to be like every hair should get that product. So they has to do by in any sections, very small sections, so that all the hair can get that amount of protein into it. This is what the process is, giving back the nourishment and the treatment and the kind of protein to your hair, so that your hair looks very beautiful and shiny and lively and real. So this is what this process is all about, and it has a content, I think, onion in it, and my eyes were like draining because of that effect in the product. So it also got nice treatment that day. So this is what my hair look after that protein application. After a little bit of drying with the hair dryer, then the actual step starts, and that is the most important. That is why we have applied the product, which I understood. And this is what, after section by section, very little, the straightener has to be used and the product has to be infiltrated inside the hair for giving that proper look. This is the actual step from where the treatment actually starts. So this was the most time taking part of the whole process, and with very patiently she did it. You don't need to worry, as you can see some kind of steam going out. This is what is happening because it was in a gel form. The water has to be evaporated and the other product has to come inside the hair. So this is what the process is all about. So now you can see they look quite straight and quite healthy. Every strand of the hair is separated. It looks so nice, so nice. I was so shocked, and this is not even washed. Now the last step, which is to do the hair wash and use the hair conditioner mask. We'll keep it for like 15 minutes and then wash with very lukewarm and cold water. After that, we can apply a serum. I will write down all these products in my description box. Can also find this all the details on my Instagram page, which is Garima Verma Makeup Studio. I will also tag her Tanisha's Instagram page on my video as well as on the Instagram. You can follow her there, and you can go, if you are from Bhopal, you can just visit her studio and get this treatment done. So all in all, my hair are dry and they are ready to bounce. I really liked it. मुझे बहुत ही अच्छा लगा. And there are so many things which are very different from a keratin treatment to hair smoothing and straightening, which I would cover in another video because I did not want it to bore you guys. और ये तो मतलब this video has to be done because I have seen so many videos on Instagram viral, and they are showing your hair strands from so close and it is shining. So I was excited to do this one. So all in all, I really loved this process. I think do this again and again. And this detail of how much longer it will stay and how it was and what all the products in detail it has used. I will also do many reviews on this in the next video, but till that time, enjoy this video. Hope you have enjoyed. I have enjoyed, and I'm enjoying still my hair. It's almost 2 weeks now when I'm finally uploading this video. So enjoy the photographs, and hope you guys will like the video, and I'll see you guys again. Bye bye.